Welcome to the Body Organics Certification course. This certification is a balance of online and in-person components, giving you the confidence to work with a wide variety of clientele in a wide variety of settings. Our experienced Pilates teachers, some of whom are allied health practitioners and studio owners, will take you through an extensive library of exercises, plus explain how these connect to your programming, lesson structuring, and specific body rehabilitation needs for your future clients. As you move through the certification, you will get access to our professionally filmed videos through our learning management system, an easy-to-use online platform that will allow you to refine your skills and learn specific materials for each block. This allows you to maximise your time in the in-person workshop sessions, focusing on the why, not the how. Our online training courses are supported by detailed manuals, program sheets, and access to fun and supportive communities. More importantly, you'll get access to our knowledge and experience on how to program and structure a class, allowing you to be able to work with people effectively from day one of graduating from your course. Graduates of this certification will also be recognised by the Pilates Alliance of Australasia, giving you peace of mind and confidence in your training. Join us at Body Organics Education and complete your certification with us today. Visit bodyorganicseducation.com to find out more information or contact us to discuss your Pilates professional goals. We look forward to working with you soon.